So it's 6 a.m. I'm on my way to work right now. It's been a long weekend. I'm not looking forward to this. So, I just got off work. It was a long, pretty tiring day. Just bought some paper towels and milk, and hopefully, once I get home, I'll have the motivation to actually go for a run. I didn't make it out on my run, which really isn't that big of a surprise. Hi YouTube. I've been trying to do this whole vlogging thing. I've been keeping up with it today, but my problem is I haven't done anything interesting besides sit around and edit video and watch other YouTube videos. Yeah, I definitely thought that that was something that I could do, is explain a little bit about myself, who I am, where I'm from, and where I am now. So, if you don't already know yet, my name's Reed, as is blatantly listed in the title of the YouTube channel that you either clicked on or are close to right now. I'm a student here in Carleton University in Ottawa, Ontario. I studied history at Carleton for 3 years. What I ended up doing is I ended up switching to interactive multimedia and design, which is this combination course between Carleton and Algonquin University, or Algonquin College here in Ottawa. So I'm still going to be living in Ottawa, but I'm going to be changing what I'm doing, and I'm changing from something where it's very academic oriented towards something that's a little bit less. And I ultimately want to do web design. So I'm originally from Belleville, Ontario, which is about 2.5 hours from Ottawa, which is where I live now.
Start with it in there.
Go ahead. Pull closed again. It's so cool.
Now, I was kind of jerky. Do you want me to try that again?